Good day sa inyo mga kabaro. So nung nakaraan, 'di ba, tinakil natin kung paano mag-file ng practical assessment. Yung practical assessment na yun ay isa sa mga requirement para mag-file ng COC or GOC. So ngayong araw na ito is itatakil natin kung paano naman mag-file ng certificate for COC and GOC. So stay tuned mga kabaro. So sa pag-apply for COC and GOC certificate, ganun pa rin ang steps. So una, go to Marina mismo website. Pangalawa, log in your credentials. Pangatlo, select transactions. Pang-apat, click certification. Pang-lima, click revalidation. Pang-anim, on select class tab, select COC or GOC kung GOC yung ina-apply nyo. Pang-pito, select capacity tab will appear. Click on it and then select OIC, navigational watch or engine watch, or what position you are revalidating for. Pag GOC ang ina-apply nyo, select nyo lang yung GOC or radio communications. Pang-walo, click I hereby declare. Pang-siyam, click proceed. Pang-sampu, upload the following requirements. So ang mga requirements para makakuha ng COC certificate: number 1, upload certificate of sea service as OIC navigational watch of 12 months within the last 5 years or 3 months within the last 6 months immediately prior to application date. Important note, must be encoded by the concerned local manning agencies in your mismo account. So pagka humingi kayo ng hard copy dun sa sa manning agency nyo, ipapa-encode nyo rin yan sa mismo account ninyo. Pagka hindi kayo naka-acto as third mate, pwede nyong i-upload yung latest sea service nyo. Pangalawa, if expired COC does not meet the required sea service, upload the following: A, practical assessment taken within 6 months, or B, completed the approved training course prescribed by the administration for purposes of revalidation appropriate to the certificate to be revalidated, or Charlie, completed approved sea service of not less than 3 months in supernumerary capacity or in a lower rank than that for which the certificate held is valid. However, this sea service cannot be used as an option for the revalidation of expired certificate. So sa case natin, mga hindi naka-acto as third mate, ang option natin dito is yung certificate ng practical assessment. So sa part 1 ng video na ito, 'di ba, tinuruan natin kayo kung paano mag-file ng practical assessment. So after nyo mag-file ng practical assessment, pumunta kayo dun sa practical training centers na accredited ng Marina na pinakita rin dun sa video ng part 1. So after nyo makuha yung certificate na yun na yung i-upload nyo dito sa Marina mismo para makakuha ng COC certificate. Ganun din sa GOC. Kung GOC naman is GOC certificate ang i-upload nyo sa practical. Very important note para sa OIC deck. So bali 2 beses tayo magpa-file sa Marina mismo para sa COC at GOC. Pero sa pagpa-process ng filing ng GOC at COC is parehas lang sila. Magkaiba lang sila ng i-upload na certificate sa practical assessment. So balik na tayo sa mga requirements. So pangatlo is upload valid medical certificate in PEME format from DOH accredited medical clinic with seafarer's signature. Note, must be encoded by the concerned medical facility for overseas workers and seafarers. So once na matapos kayo ng medical at nakuha nyo na yung certificate nyo, ipa-upload nyo agad dun sa medical facility sa mismo account ninyo sa Marina yung inyong medical certificate. Dahil kapag hindi na-upload dun sa Marina mismo account ninyo yung inyong soft copy ng medical certificate, hindi yan i-honor ng Marina. So pang-apat, colored 2x2 inches picture in white polo with collar. So take note lang guys, dapat naka-shoulder board tayo dito according sa rank na ina-apply natin. Pang-lima, Seaman's Book, first page and pages with entries showing approved seagoing service indicated in the company sea service certificate. So ang ibig sabihin nito guys, kung ano yung in-upload nyo na sea service certificate, yun dapat yung i-upload nyo na Seaman's Book entries. So after nyong makumpleto lahat, i-submit nyo na. Tapos after ng submission ay initial evaluation. Tapos after mag-initial evaluation, online payment na. After mag-online payment, dun na yung online appointment schedule. Tapos after ng appointment schedule, final evaluation. Important note guys, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta sa marina. No appearance na po ang pagpapa-COP at COC. So online na lang po tayo lahat guys. So after ng final evaluation, signatory validation na. Tapos after ng signatory validation, release na. Tapos pagka-release ng COP mo, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ron para kunin yung certificate mo. Ipiprint mo na lang yung iyong certificate na makikita dun sa mismo account mo under certificates tab. So maraming salamat po sa panonood mga sir, and kung nagustuhan nyo po itong video na ito, paki-like and share naman po upang malaman din po ng iba, no? And kung may mga suggestions and comment po kayo, please comment down below mga sir, para po ma-improve natin yung ating channel. Maraming salamat po.